All right, children. In the last class, I discussed about how to identify adjective clauses and noun clauses. I would like to tell you some more points about adjective clause. So, first of all, an adjective clause, it describes a noun or a pronoun. That means it qualifies a noun or a pronoun. So, if I say that if I say, for example, I found the keys which were lost. So here I am telling, or this which were lost is describing about these keys. So this is an adjective clause because it's telling me about this noun, and anything that tells us about the noun is called an adjective. So any adjective clause would qualify either a noun or a pronoun. So another identification is that this adjective clause should be placed near or the nearest to the noun. That is why I said should be placed close to the noun it describes. Okay, and it can either be introduced by who, whose, which, whom, that, all these words. Sometimes these words are omitted and still we have an adjective clause. For example, if the sentence that I have written here is the purse you have been looking for. Here is the purse. If I say that you have been looking for, or if I just omit this, then also this sentence will make sense. So here the word that is omitted, and the you have been looking for is an adjective clause. And what is the qualifying noun? The qualifying noun is the purse. Qualifying noun means the noun which the adjective clause is describing. So I hope this is clear, and you will be able to do the exercises in the book because it's asking you how to convert or replace a clause with a phrase, and you all know the difference between a clause and a phrase, and you can easily do it. Okay. Now coming on to the noun clause, children, as we read earlier, that noun clause is a group of words which act as a noun, means it acts as any kind of a person, place, or a thing. Okay, noun clause can be in the subject of a sentence. For example, if I say that you should not study is very strange. So what is very strange? We always put a question on the verb. What is very strange? That you should not study. So this is coming in the subject of a sentence. A noun clause can also come in the object. My son asked me why I was upset. So my son asked me what? The answer I am getting is why I was upset. This is a noun clause, and the position of this noun clause is in the object of the sentence. Okay. Then please listen to me carefully to what I say. Now sometimes the noun clause is also introduced after the prepositions. Okay. So please listen to me, listen carefully to what I say. So what I say, listen carefully to what. So we'll ask the question carefully to what? What I say. So this is again a noun clause. Then I punish my son hoping that he would improve. So quite often noun clause is also introduced by participles, the ing form of the verb. Okay. So I punish my son hoping what? Hoping what? That he will improve. Okay, or that he would improve. So this is a noun clause. I think that's all you need to know about the clauses. Now all of you will be able to do the exercises in your book. All the best. Thank you.